Hello friends, welcome to the channel retailconnect.com. This session is about the SQL introduction. What is SQL? Okay, so let's start. So basically what is SQL? SQL is a standard language for accessing and manipulating databases. Okay, SQL stands for Structured Query Language. SQL lets you access and manipulate databases. SQL became a standard of the American National Standards Institute (ANSI) in 1986 and one of the International Organization for Standardization (ISO) in 1987. What can SQL do? SQL can execute queries against a database. SQL can retrieve data from a database. SQL can insert records in a database. SQL can update record in a database. SQL can delete record from a database. SQL can create new databases. SQL can create new tables in databases. SQL can create stored procedures in a database. SQL can create views in database. SQL can set permissions on tables, procedures, and views. Okay. Now, what is SQL? The RDBMS. Basically, SQL is a relational database. Okay. So for that, we use the term RDBMS, which means Relational Database Management System. SQL is the basis of RDBMS is the basis of SQL, and for all modern database systems such as MS SQL Server, IBM DB2, Oracle MySQL, and Microsoft Access. The data in RDBMS is stored in database objects called tables. A table is a collection of related data entries and it consists of columns and rows. For example, look at the customer table. Here we have a query, select asterisk from customers to get all records from customer table. Every table is broken up into small entities called fields. The field in the customer table consists of like customer ID, customer name, contact name, address, city, postal code, and country. A field is a column in a table that is designed to maintain specific information about every record in a table. A record, also called a row, is each individual entry that exists in a table. For example, there are 91 records in a above table customer table. A record is a horizontal entity in a table, whereas a column is a vertical entity in a table that contains all the information associated with a specific field in a table. Okay, so this was the introduction of SQL. Thanks for watching this session. Stay tuned for next coming sessions on SQL.